Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's video, from mathematics subject, let's discuss about simple equations topic. So here children, so what an equation is? So already we have learned. So in an equation, there is always an equality sign. So there is always an equality sign. So what does this equality sign shows? Suppose x equal to 5. Suppose we have equation such that x equal to 5. So what does it shows? The equality sign shows that the value on the left hand side of the equality sign is equal to the right hand side of the equation, equality sign. So the left hand side value is termed as LHS, left hand side, shortcut LHS, and the right hand side value is considered as RHS, right hand side value. So the equality sign, it tells that LHS is always equal to RHS. LHS is always equal to RHS. Suppose if you take the equation 4x plus 5 equal to 65, if you take this equation, in this is the equality sign. To the left of it, we have 4x plus 5, which is LHS. To the right of it, we have 65, which is RHS. Suppose if you take the equation 10y minus 20 equals to 50, to the equality left hand side, we have 10y minus 20, which is LHS. To the right hand side, we have 50, which is RHS. Suppose if there is some sign other than equality sign between LHS and RHS. Suppose if LHS is x, RHS is 5, instead of equality sign, if there is some other sign like x greater than 5 or x less than 5, if there is some other sign, then this is not considered as an equation. Then that will be not an equation. So here, if you consider this expression or this statement 4x plus 5 greater than 65, because there is no equality sign, instead of equality sign we have other sign, so this is not an equation. This is not an equation. So the LHS and RHS are combined by other sign other than equality sign, so it is not an equation. In the same way, this 4x plus 5 less than 65 also, because they are combined by less than, which is not equality sign, so it is also not an equation. So this statement, what does it tell? LHS part greater than RHS. This statement, what does it will tell? LHS part less than RHS. So they are not equal. So one is greater than other, or first one is less than other. So this is not an example of equation. This is not an example of equation. So in most of the equations, like 4x plus 5 equal to 65 or 10y minus 20 equal to 50, we observe that the RHS will most of the times will be a number. So most of the times RHS will be just a number and LHS will contain the unknown value variable. But this need not be always so. But it's only often we will find like that. But always it not be the same. always it must not be the same. Suppose if you have this statement, if you have this statement, this highlighted part, 4x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 25. If you have this statement, in this statement, the RHS is, what is the RHS here? What is the RHS? The RHS is this one, blue color, highlight, 6x minus 25. This is the RHS part, which is not a number, which is not a number. So on the left hand side we have 4x plus 5, which is having variable. On the right hand side we have 6x plus 25, which is also having a variable. On the both sides of the equality sign we have expressions containing variables. So here, so equation means it's a condition on a variable. What is the condition? That two expressions should have same value. Which two expressions? The expression which is on the left hand side, the expression which is on the right hand side, both should have same value. That condition which consisting of variable either on LHS or on RHS or on both sides, that condition will be called as an equation. So here at least one of the two expressions must contain a variable. Means if we have LHS equal to RHS, must either LHS or RHS, at least any one of them should contain the variable x. So then only it will be considered as an equation. Okay. Next. So we will come across some simple and useful property of equations here. Suppose the equation 4x plus 5 equal to 65 is same as 65 equal to 4x plus 5, or 6x minus 25 equals to 4x plus 5 is same as 4x plus 5 equals to 6x minus 25. Means an equation remains the same when the expressions on the left hand side and right hand side are interchanged. If LHS equal to RHS, if we interchange them, then the resulting expression also will be an equation. Like previous equation. So this property so often useful in solving equations. Next one. So if this is the equation, this in 2x minus 3 equal to 7, this x is called variable, this is equality, this total part is considered as an equation, this 2, 3, 7 are considered as constants, 2 also considered as coefficient of x, term. Only 2, 3, 7 are called constants. Considered as constants, and 2x minus 3 is LHS, 7 is on right hand side, so it is considered as RHS. So if we know the equation, we can find out LHS and RHS from them. Let's try to solve this question, children. Write LHS and RHS of the following simple equations. In first question, 2x equal to 10. What is LHS? LHS equal to 2 and RHS equal to 10. RHS equal to 10. Okay. If you see second question, 2x minus 3 equal to 9. What is LHS? LHS equal to 2x minus 3. What is RHS? 9. What about third question? LHS 4z plus 1, RHS 8. LHS 5p plus 3, RHS 2p plus 9. LHS 14. So here in the fifth question, left hand side we have a number. So we have to write LHS 14 only. So there is no variable. It is not LHS. Like that we should not think. It is on left hand side of equality sign. Though it is a number, it is considered as LHS. Right hand side we have 27 minus 5, which is RHS. So in this equation, variable is present in the RHS. That's all. So like this, children, if we know the equation, we can write LHS and RHS of any equation. One minute, children. One minute, children. Okay. Trial and error method. Trial and error method means if you know the equation like x plus 5 equal to 7, so we have to try some values. We have to try to place some values in the x, and if error comes, that is not true, let's go with the next value. If error comes, that is not true, we will change to another value. Like that we go on trying with the different values until the equation becomes true. That kind of method of solving an equation is called trial and error method. Trial and error method means just by guessing we are trying to find the values. Okay, children, substituting different values of the variable and checking the equality of LHS and RHS. This method is called trial and error method. Suppose if we have equation 3x plus 5 equal to 17, so we start to substitute different values of x. The value for which both sides are balanced, or both sides we will get same value, is the required solution. The value of x for which both sides are balanced, that value is considered as required solution for the given equation. Suppose we are in the equation LHS equal to 3x plus 5, RHS equal to 17, and the variable is x, in which we are going to substitute different values. Let's start with 1 first. If we keep 1 in the place of x, then LHS equal to 3x plus 5 equal to 3x means 3 into x, which means 3 into 1 plus 5, that is equal to 8. But RHS is 17, they are not equal. If we substitute 2, 3 2 times 6 plus 5, 11, RHS 17, not equal, error coming. Let's try with another value because we are getting error. So 3x plus 5, 3 into 3 plus 5, 14, but RHS 17, not true. Let's try with 4, 3x plus 5, 3 into 4 plus 5, 17, RHS also 17, true. So when we keep 4 in the place of x, for x equal to 4, we got LHS equal to RHS. So the required solution is x equal to 4 for the equation 3x plus 5 equal to 17. Like that. Like that, by substituting different values, if we finally come to one solution, so that is called trial and error method. Next children, suppose if you have questions like this, solve the following equations by trial and error method. By trial and error method. 2 plus y equal to 7. 2 plus y. The given equation is 2 plus y equal to 7. Let's start with 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 7. 3 equal to 7. Wrong. Let's keep 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 7. 4 equal to 7. Wrong. Next, 2 plus 3 equal to 7. Means 2 plus 3 means 5 equal to 7. Wrong. Next, let's keep 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 7. 6 equal to 7. Wrong. Next, keep 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 equals to 7, which is true. So, in the place of y, when we keep 5, the LHS is becoming RHS. So, the solution of the first question is y equal to 5. Y equal to 5. Next, second, a minus 2 equal to 6. A minus 2 equal to 6. Let's start with 1. 1 minus 2 equal to 6 implies 1 minus 2 how much? Minus 1 equal to 6, which is wrong. False. Sorry. Minus 1 equal to 6 is false. Next, let's do with let's substitute 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 6 implies 2 minus 2 how much? 0 equal to 6, which is false. So, x equal to 2 is not the solution. Let's substitute 3. 3 minus 2 equal to 6 implies 3 minus 2 how much? 1 equal to 6. So, which is false. So, x equal to 3 is not the solution. In the same way, let's substitute 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6 implies 8 minus 2 how much? 6. 6 equal to 6, which is true. So, x equal to 8 is the solution. So, for second question, what is the solution? Here not epsilon, a is there. So, a equal to 8. A equal to 8. Here, in the place of m, let's start with 1. 5 into 1 equal to 15 implies 5 into 1, 5 equals to 15. Wrong. Next, let's start with 2. 5 into 2 equals to 15. 5 2 times 10 equal to 15. Wrong. Let's start with 3. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 5 into 3, 15 equals to 15. So, which is true. So, m value is 3 for this equation. So, next, in the same way, 2n equal to 14. Let's start with 1. 2 into 1, 2. Wrong. 2 into 2, 4. Wrong. 2 into 3, 6. Wrong. Like that, 2 into 7, 14. Right. So, for the fourth question, n equal to 7 is the solution. So, like this children, by trial and error method, we can find the solution for a given equation. We can find solution of a given equation, or we can find the value of unknown quantity in the equation, which is variable. So, this all methods we will apply for linear equations children. Linear equations. What is linear equation? The equation having only one variable and whose highest power is 1. Because here 2 plus y equal to 7. What is the power of the variable? Y appearing only one time. So, the power of the variable is 1. So, it is an example of 1 degree equation, or it is an example of first degree equation in which highest power of variable is 1, which is also called as a linear equation. Now we have learnt about applying trial and error method for linear equations. Linear equations. Okay, children, what we have learnt, children? So what is an equation? What is an equation that we have learnt? Equation means it's only a condition on a variable. What is the condition? Expression which is on the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. That condition is called equation. Though we interchange the LHS and RHS, the value of the equation does not changes. Next, LHS, RHS. LHS means left hand side value. RHS means right hand side value. And we have solved some question. Trial and error method means substituting different values of the variable and checking whether LHS and RHS are equal and or not. Like that, coming to one conclusion and finding the solution is called trial and error method. And we have solved some examples and problems based on trial and error method. So let's continue the topic in our next video, children. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. You can visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes, art and craft skills. Thank you, children. Have a good day.